Proverbs 31:30. Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting. But a woman fears the Lord is to be praised. Psalm 18, verse 1, 2, and 3. I love you, O Lord, my strength. The Lord is my rock, my fortress and deliverer. My God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. He is my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. I call to the Lord, who is worthy of praise, and I am saved from my enemies. Roma 5:1-5. Sapagkat napawalang sala na tayo sa pamamagitan ng ating pananampalataya kay Jesucristo, mayroon na tayong mapayapang ugnayan sa Panginoon mayroon na tayong mapayapang ugnayan sa Diyos sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo.